we are making a holiday tasty beverage. And basically it's going to be equal parts vodka, Kahlua, peppermint schnapps, and top it off with a little bit of half and half. It's a Peppermint White Russian. When I say equal parts, I mean, you know, by your eyeballs. It's gonna be good.
Y'all make this for your friends when they come over. I mean, they will just love it.
And you know, it would be really nice if you could get like a mini candy cane and just use that as like a stir. Or maybe a peppermint stick.
Oh my goodness.
A little bit of this.
Ooh.
A little bit of mint.
You gonna fancy it up? Look
Yeah.
at that. What'd you call this, a holiday mint beverage?
Holiday tasty beverage.
Holiday tasty beverage. Christmas cheers. Doink.
Oh my gosh.
Dude.
That's so good.
That's unbelievable. Get that holiday tasty beverage, y'all.